In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do conditional formatting in the Google Sheets app on the Android. So conditional formatting is unfortunately only available on the Android. If you try and look for this in the Google Sheets app on the iOS or on the iPhone, you won't be able to find it. So if you want to apply some conditional formatting on your data, all you have to do would be to select the range where you want to apply that conditional formatting. So I have my data right here. I have the sales for February 2025, some managers, and their sales for the 4 weeks of that month. Now, what I want to do to read this data better would be to highlight all the sales that are over £4,000. And I can easily do that with conditional formatting. So again, first you're going to select the range where you want to apply the conditional formatting. Then go to the Format tool at the top. There we have it. Swipe up until you see conditional formatting. Once you tap on this, you'll have this create a rule option where you can create that conditional formatting. So those cells with those values will be highlighted if they meet the certain conditions that you will set for them. So format cells if. We have this drop down right here. You can just tap on it and you have these selections of what type of condition you want to apply to those cells or to that data. And what I want to do would be have the cells highlighted if they are greater than £4,000. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to select here greater than or equal to, then enter the value right here. That's £4,000. Tap on done. And now we can select the formatting style for those values that meet our condition. So let's go ahead. We can select from any of these formatting style right here. You can have this one or that one. Totally up to you, or you can also customize it. So let's go ahead and customize this. I'm going to tap on this plus sign right here. There we go. We can change the formatting of the text, put it in bold, italic, underline, or have it in strike through, and then change the text color or the fill color. So I'm going to change the text color first, put it in white. There we go. And in contrast to the white, I'm going to put the fill color into black. Now, right now it's in custom color. Go back to basic to see more colors. There we have it. Selecting black right there, going back and putting our text in bold. So right here, we have a preview of what's that going to look like. And there you have it. And if you finalized everything, just tap on done right here. There you go. If I close this, we already see all of the amounts or all of the values that meet our criteria, which are now formatted under that condition. So if you want to change that, all you have to do would be to go back to the Format tool right here at the top. There you go. Go back to conditional formatting, and you will see that one rule that you just created right here. If you want to edit that, you can just tap on it and go ahead and make all the changes that you want. Let's say we're going to change the value into 5,000 instead of 4,000. So I just want to see all the sales that are greater than or equal to 5,000. Once you've entered your value, just tap on done right here. Exit that. And there you have it. So now we have fewer values that are equal to or greater than £5,000. And there you have it. That's how conditional formatting here in Google Sheets app can help you read your data better. And you can only do this with the Google Sheets app on an Android. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.